Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Just Planet Gardening here. Today I'm going to be cleaning the greenhouse, or trying to restore it, kind of. I don't really care if we move because it's staying here. It's all rusted and basically all old, and it's not worth it to take it with us. But I will go ahead and clean it. So, take you on a tour. I haven't showed you really in the greenhouse in a very long time, so here's a little treat for that. So let's get started. Now I did turn this into kind of a storage area to store random garbage. So we got a base for a fan, a pot, ant nest because it's North Carolina and literally every type of disease and cancer is here because what a wonderful state. I'm so tired of this damn thing. And there's a old pumpkin vine here that is dead, or dead gourd vine, sorry. And I'm just gonna pull it because it's not making any flowers or fruit. It's just dead. It's got powdery mildew. It's all shitty and I'm gonna just destroy it. Well, there is about 2 little fruits on this, so I will probably just go ahead and pinch this vine and just replant it because they do kind of grow like strawberries. You can just replant these because they have nodes. But yeah, this is just kind of a hazard, so they don't want to have like bugs, swarms and stuff in here. It goes all the way to the opposite side of the greenhouse where all the bottle gourds are. And this is just absolutely terrible year. This year is the worst year I have ever grown anything. Last year was good. Year before that was really good. Year before that was really good. This year is terrible. This raised bed, might as well just do something with it, because I'm not, do something with it as in like get it out of here, because I don't want it in here. It's not doing anything good. I don't know if I'll try growing gourds in here again, because they take hold of everything. What else is in here that I don't know? Cornstalk. Yeah, it's just a cornstalk. Weeds that are about the same height as the greenhouse. We have just wood board for the bed. I don't know where I got this. I got another wood board. More ants. Bad state. What else do we have? A couple little dead things. The tomato plants you can just probably leave. No pun intended. So, my plan is strip everything out. Leave the plants, of course, but strip all the trash and the bull crap and all the trivial stuff like oh, there's a skink. Yeah, there's a little skink. Yeah. So we have animals living in here. There was a skink. And here's this rotten wood sweeper. And we have this. All these creeping Charlie weeds in here too. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna. Yeah, this year, now that I think about it, it's absolutely terrible. We had 1 pumpkin, a small one, 1,000 gourds, which, I mean, that's fine, but why can't I have 1,000 pumpkins? You can't eat gourds. I mean, the ornamental ones we grow. You can't eat them. you gotta love thousands of ants in here. Gotta love that. Plastic's good. Now I'm in the opposite side of the greenhouse doing this. Which I guess I'll just take the camera with me. I don't know if you can see it. There's damn ants crawling all over me. Bottle gourd is over here. And, yeah, it'll stay over there. So we're trying to get this thing. There's this TV dish over here that I don't want in here anymore. It's going to be the green garage. So, yeah, L&B is already freaking ruined. Let me just get this out. Like I said, it was a storage. Even though the garage is already full of garbage, this right here is another reason why we couldn't grow, because too busy with this BS. And take the mount and move it, and there's another bug underneath it, some type of beetle thing. And get this out of here. Actually, I'm gonna open up this door. So, I mean, open. Yay! It's opened. Kinda. Well, at least we can have a vent in here. There's a lovely outside. And in here, I'm gonna... Why is this camera so not good? This is not my phone that I call people with. Let me just throw this out of here. Cedar. With ants galore. You gotta love this state. Why did we move here? I don't have a friggin' answer for that. There is some strawberry lookalikes like this. I'm gonna get the shovel. That's gonna be a good idea, isn't it? Just get all these weeds out of here. Oh, so here's kind of a small talk. Looking back at my videos a couple years, not a couple years ago. Looking at my videos from a couple years ago, I sound so different. And I'm gonna sound so different when I'm buried in a cemetery in a second, under the ground. So be freaking it! Oh my god, man! Can you guys see this? Can you see this? Can you actually see this? I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god! This is hell. The definition of hell. Straight up. Straight up. Not a doubt. This is disgusting. This is evil. Oh my god. What is this? You know what? I got the thing for this. It's not organic, but it has to be done. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's not Roundup good. It's just Ortho home defense stuff. And yeah, this is for the house, so... Sorry, but it has to be done. I'm sorry, guys, but... I don't use this in my gardens, so don't get any ideas. It's just... We use it for around the perimeter of the house and the crawl space. We don't use it for the garden or any of that. So, it's just to kill these freaking satanic creatures. I have to spray the whole perimeter of this thing. I can't afford these things nesting. Alright. Now that that's done, let's move on to the other part. And that part is this. And this is not... Okay, so we have a fan mount. We have 2 sheets of lattice. Wish it was lettuce. We have some gourd stem things. We have wood from like 9,000 BC. We also have more wood from about 7 trillion BC. We have this from like the brain rot age, because it's so new. And we have whatever that was that just flew out of this pot, something white. Probably a ghost. Look at this. Look at this. This was the insulation that I made that video on. I put this insulation down in like, I don't know, like 2023, I think. It was right when I got the greenhouse, but it was October maybe, or November. I can't remember, but it's right when I got the greenhouse. We have more wood. And yeah, all this is coming out. More wood. Bricks. More insulation. Why am I pulling this? Well, I don't know. It has to come out. It's just too rotten. It's basically a health hazard. If this was inspected by like the health inspector for a restaurant, they would not say go ahead, or any inspector or land inspector, they would say no, it's going to fail. That's not going to pass. Home inspector, I guess. Not really a house, but I mean, I guess the homeless guy can live in this. A brick. Another brick. Why is there ground lead in here? There's a water bottle, mini water bottle, with dirt in it. There's the outside with a bunch of leaves. There's a lot of junk. Well, we're kind of making progress. This stuff I'm just gonna throw it on off camera. Over here, that dishes thing in the garage for all eternity. That mount garbage, that garbage, this trash. The 2 new pieces of wood, I'll keep those, but everything else garbage. Or I'll put the wood in a pile, so we'll do something with it, which would be the easiest thing, and then I'll just clean up the greenhouse off camera because it'll be so boring. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna film today for the greenhouse. Like, comment, subscribe, stay safe from the ants, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Oh, and here's the gourd. Here's the real bottle gourd. There's one there and one here. I think you saw that already. But strawberries, I'll keep them. I'll just prune the dead leaves back. And here is outside in the garden. We planted spinach and broccoli. Broccoli in there. We planted some dill. We're getting the fall crops up and running. Hopefully, I'm going to go to Home Depot, get some started plants, and basically do that, because usually we can't really start anything from seed. They'll either get destroyed by slugs, burnt, or they're spindly and just wither up. So it would just go and get something from the thing. That's me. So you can do it from either way if you want to. I'm not saying go ahead and get them from the store, no, but we have to here. It's just so crappy with this weather, family friendly word. But yeah.